Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are here with a new lesson. So let's start. Ad-Darsu Thalis, lesson number 3. Ahmad kam taliban fi faslikum ya Ali. Kam taliban. Kam means how many. To ask how many. Taliban. Talib means student. How many students? Fi means in. Fasl means class. Kum, ka, kuma, kum, ki, kuma, kunna. So, ka, kuma, kum. In table it comes on 9th number. So, the table start huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, ka, kuma, kum, ki, kuma, kunna. Kum on 9th number, it means in your. Ya means O Ali. How many students are there in your classroom? O Ali. Ali. Fi faslina. Fi, as I already told, in. Fasl means class. Na means this is the on the 14th number in the table. And first person, it will be meaning in our class. Arba'ata. Arba'a 4. Ashara means 10. Arba'ata ashara. 14 students. 14. In our class, there are 14 students. Ahmad at-tullab. As we said, taliban, this is a singular, and at-tullab, it is plural. Plural of taliban. At-tullab fi in fasl. As I said, in our class, fi faslina. At-tullabu fi faslina. Aksar. Aksar. More. More. There are more students in our classroom. Fihi. Fi means in. He means it. In it, tisa means 9, ashara means 10. So 10 and 9, it will be 19. There are 19 Taliban students. Ya Ali, O Ali. Ma means what? For asking a question, and sometimes ma comes for negative. So here for asking question ma. Ma ismu. Ismu means name. A talib student. Al-Jadid means new. Alladhi, the one who. Alladhi, the one who. The Alladhi also has the table. Alladhi, Alladani, Alladaini, Alladina. Allati, Allatani, Allataini, Allatina. Allai, Wallawai. So these are the table. Alladhi means the one who. Ja'a came. Ja'a came. This is the verb and past verb, and the first in the table, first number comes. Ja'a means came. Amsi means yesterday. So the actual meaning it will be ma ismu. What is the name? The new students who joined, yes, who came yesterday. Or we can do the translation. The new students. What is the name of the new student who joined yesterday, or who took admission yesterday? Whatever meaning according to our according to our convenience, or according to our means suit the sentence, or to understand someone who is in front of us, we can do the translation. Aliyun ismu. Ismu means name. Who means his. His name is Usama. His name is Usama. Ahmad huwa tawilun jiddan. Huwa tawilun jiddan. He is tall. Jiddan, very. He is very tall. Tawilun means tall. Jiddan means very. He is very tall. Alaysa kadhalik. For question mark, isn't. Laysa, no. Laysa table already we have learnt. Laysa, laysa, laysu, laysat, laysata, lasna, lasta, lastuma, lastum, lasti, lastuma, lastunna, lastu, lasna. So the laysa table is there. Alaysa kadhalik. Nahwa means isn't it? Isn't it? We say na? Isn't it? Isn't it? Huwa tawilun jiddan. He is very tall. Alaysa kadhalik. Isn't it? Is it not like that? Aliyun. Bala. Why not? Huwa, he, tawilun, tall, jiddan, very. He is very tall. Walakinna. Walakinna, but, and but. Hamidan. Hamidan, أطول منه. أطول منه. This is the superlative of طويل. طويل means tall and his superlative is أطول. Superlative is أطول. So it will be he is taller. लेकिन Bala, why not? The new students who joined, he is very tall, but Hamid is taller than him. Taller than him. Hamid أطول, taller منه, from him. إنه, indeed, inna means indeed, who means he. Indeed, he أطول, taller, طالب, student, في فصلنا, فصلنا, in our class. Indeed, he is a taller student in our classroom. So the use of comparative verb, comparative letter or comparative sentence, there is the use in this sentence. In this sentence, we learnt the use of comparative letter. For example, tawilun means tall, and the superlative is atwal. Tawil, atwal. So we learnt this one. Waman atwalu talibin, and who is taller students في فصلكم, in your classroom. Ahmad أطول طالب, the taller student في فصلنا, in our classroom. Ibrahim is Ibrahim. In our classroom, all letters is repeatedly coming. So that is why I am not telling you one by one, because all letters are already repeated. Aliyun, a daftaru, a for question mark, daftaru means notebook, ka means your. As I told na, ka, the table of ka, kuma, kum. So this is on 7th number, huwa, huma, hum, or ha, huma, hum, ha, huma, hum, hi, huma, hunna, ka, kuma, kum, ki, kuma, kunna. So ka is on the 7th number in the table. So it is the second person. Adaftaruka, is it your notebook? Hada, this one. Ya means, O Ahmad, is it your notebook, O Ahmad? Inna, indeed, khattaka, your handwriting, jamilun means khubsurat, beautiful, jiddan, very, your handwriting is beautiful, very beautiful, mashallah. Ahmad, shukran, thank you. Wali, khatti, my handwriting, jamilun is beautiful. My handwriting is beautiful. But he wanted to tell superlative. Wa khattuka ajmal, and your handwriting is more beautiful. So superlative. Jamil, so superlative, it will become ajmal. Ajmal is the superlative. Ali, man hada, man means who. Hada means this. Man hada, al-fata means boy, jawan or young boy, or alladhi, the one who, ma'a, with, ka, with you. Who is this young boy who is with you? O Ahmad, ka'anna, ka means it seems, ka means it seems, anna, indeed he, it seems, akhuka, your brother, it seems your brother. Who is the young boy who is with you, O Ahmad? It seems it is your brother. Ahmad, naam, yes. Huwa akhi ash-shaqiq. He is my real brother, or he is my full brother. Shaqiq means the full brother or real brother. Okay. Ali, akbaru minka. Kabir is this one, and Kabir's superlative, it will be becoming akbaru or asghar. Saghir means small. The superlative of Saghir is the asghar. So akbar is the superlative of Kabir. So akbaru minka, is he younger than you or he is older than you? Huwa asgharu minni, he is older than me. Huwa, he, asgharu, older, minni, from me. Fi ayyi, in which, mahja, hostel, room, or in which hostel, anta ya akhi, in which hostel you, anta means you, o akhi, o my brother. In which hostel you are, o my brother? Ahmad, أنا في المهجع. أنا I am في المهجع الخامس, fifth hostel, or in fifth building. I am in the fifth hostel. وهو بعيد, and it is far جدا, very far, and it is very far. And means from, al-jami'a means university, and it is very far from the university. علي أنا I am في المهجع الثامن. I am in the fifth hostel. I am in the fifth building. Okay. وهو أبعد, and it is far, من مهجعكم, from your hostel, or it is from your building. أيهما أحسن, which is best, or the fifth one or eighth one, which أنا في المهجع الثامن, I am in the eighth hostel or eighth building. وهو far, and it is far from your house, from your hostel or from your building. أيهما, which one is the best, the fifth one or the eighth one. المهجع الخامس أحسن, the fifth building or the fifth hostel is best. فإنه غرفه أوسع. فإنه, because its rooms are very widen. أوسع, widen or widest. ونوافذه, and its windows أكبر, very big. ومراحيزه, مراحيز means toilet, and its toilet أنظف, very clean. والسرر, sarir, this is the singular, and surur is the plural of, meaning bed. And the beds allati fihi, in this fifth one, ajmal, very beautiful. So this was the translation, and the translation in written I have uploaded in the description. You can find out and you can download. The link is there. From their link you can download the file. See, this is the Darsus Salis, the all translation, and with English transliteration is there. So I hope it will be easy for you to understand and to learn. You can download this file from the description. There is a download link. Let's move exercises. Ajib anil as'ilatil atiya. Answer the following questions. Kam taliban fi fasli Ahmad. How many students are there in the Ahmad's class, and how many students in the Ali's class? Waman atwalu talibin fi fasli Ahmad, and who is the taller students in Ahmad's class? Waman atwalu talibin fi fasli Ali, and who is the taller students in Ali's class? So the all answers you can find it here. Kam taliban fi fasli Ahmad. في فصل أحمد 19 طالبا. There are 19 students in Ahmad's class. And see there, كم طالبا في فصل علي. How many students in Ali's classroom? There are 14 students in في فصل علي 14 طالبا. من أطول طالب في فصل أحمد. Who is taller students in Ahmad's class? حامدا أطول طالب في فصل أحمد. Hamid is the tallest student in Ahmad's class. So all answers are there. You can find it out here for your reference. Let's move exercise number 2. See in the textbook also. Read exercise number 2. This I hope you can find it out. Which answers? Just see the translation. Then after you can find it out here. May be wrong in my what I have solved. See there. الطالب الجديد الذي جاء أمس اسمه أسامة. The new students who joined yesterday, his name is Osama. Is it correct? So put correct mark in your textbook or in the notebook. Hamid is in the class of Ahmad. Is it correct or wrong? I don't know. You can find it out, but according to me, it is wrong. So I put wrong. You can find it out here. We are moving to the exercise number 2. Here, just only they have given read the following example of Ismut Tafzil, the superlative. See, Tawil is the normal and Atwal is the superlative. Saghir is the normal and asghar is the superlative. Ashal, this is the superlative of sahlun. Ajmal is the superlative of jamilun. Akbar is the superlative of kabirun. Ahsan, hasanun is the superlative of ahsan. Abad, Ba'id is the normal letter, and Abad is the superlative. Asghar, Saghir, Ahsan, Hasan, Anzaf, Nazif, Ahsan, Hasan, Arkhas, Rakhis. So you should know what is the normal letter, so you can find it out here. See here, Hashimun Tawilun wa Hamidun Atwalu minhu. The translation, Hamid is taller and Hamid is more taller than him. Hashim is taller and Hamid is more taller than him. See this translation, Aminatun Saghiratun, Amina is smaller, wa Zainab Asgharu minha, and Zainab more smaller than her. Hadal Kitabu Sahlun, Ashalu min dhalika. This book more easier than that book. Hadhi Sayyaratu Ajmalu, this car is more beautiful than that. All answers are here. You can find it out here, and then you can learn what is the superlative letter, so it will be easy for you to understand and to speak it up. Let's move exercise number 4. The same practices have done in the exercise number 4 also. So just see there, Hashimun Tawilun Usmanun. How that? Hashimun Atwalu min Usmana. Hashimun Atwalu min Usman. Hashimun Tawil and superlative Atwal. So you need to put the superlative of the letter. Nazif, Anzaf, Sahlun, Ashal. So each letter superlative you need to put. So we have done in this. See there, Muhammadun Talibun Hasanun. What they are asking in the read the example, then change the sentences using ism tafsil in the example. So the same, Hadi ghurfatun saghiratun. هذه غرفة صغيرة هذه غرفة أصغر في بيتنا. So you have to change the صغير, you have to change into superlative. محمد طالب حسن أحسن. جميل أجمل. صغيرة أصغر. See here, حسن أحسن. فقير أفقر. رخيصة أرخص. سهل أسهل. So in the same way we need to change the normal letter from the normal letter to the superlative letter. Exercise number 6, the same thing practices, but here they added lakinna. At-tullabu kathirun lakinna al-fasla saghirun. So you have to add only lakinna between two sentences. Just you need to add lakinna, that's all. So there, see there. Then exercise number 7. Man hadha al-fata ka'annahu akhuka wa zamiluka ka'annahu zamiluka hiya ka'annaha tabibatun. So in the same way, according to the pronoun which is, so you have to add that one. Ka'annahu, here is there. So what is the ka'annaha? See, who, huwa, whom, ka'annahum. So accordingly, anta, in pronoun it will come an, ka'annaka. So this is the attached pronoun and this is the detached pronoun. So accordingly you have to bring the pronouns. 7, ahada ashara, the translation is there. Then 9th one, see there the translation, this solve of the exercise number 9. Then after, just you need to write here the number they have written. You have to write the numbers into the numeric. You have to write that number. So for example, 19 here, 19. See, 15 here, 15. 12 is there, 12. So that's all you need to do, the translation of this. And this one, exercise number 11 is here. 11. According to the number, which number you have written, you have to make it in. You have to tell the exact number which comes in the Arabic, what we call. So exercise number 12, alaysa kadhalik. The answer is from below. So these are the easy students. These all you can find out in the exercise in the description. Let's meet in the new lesson inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.